Hey guys, I'm going to be installing a 255 walbro for the 01 Dakota. This is the site I got it on, Fuel Pump Factory. Part numbers and all there if you'd like to find it. And I'm going to be putting it in an aftermarket fuel pump assembly shown right here. $57. It's going to be a little different, but I needed a new float, so that's why I'm using it. Here is the pump assembly, and here is the walbro. Comes with a couple different washers and whatnot. Both of the filters and a couple different gaskets. I'm actually only going to need this one. And we're going to be making some modifications to make it fit this aftermarket piece. We are going to use this one. We are not going to use this. And we're not going to use most anything in here. So we'll set all that aside. Now, start by disassembling the aftermarket pump. I will start that. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get. Sorry guys. So, when you turn it sideways here, these three springs and the pegs that are held on by, all you have to do is push all three of them inward. You can actually kind of do it with one hand. You're going to push them all inward and then pull them free. Now I've already done a little modifying. So I have cut the pump hose off since it wouldn't come off normally. And you can go ahead and pull all these springs off. I've also disconnected the electronical ports. One of them is for the float, and the other one is for the actual pump. So this piece is done. Normally you'll have to take the whole thing out and cut this off like I did if you're doing the aftermarket one. So that piece is done, setting it aside. Onto this piece, the pump is held in there by that white piece. It's just balanced in there pretty much. It's in there snug, so you're just going to work at that piece out. It just pulls straight up. There's no pin or anything holding it in. It's just pushed in really well. There we go. There's that piece. For the new pump, you're going to need to hollow this out a little further, or maybe cut a little notch, because the new pump is bigger. This is free to come out now. You can see I've cut that off. We will be using this piece because it fits snug down in the bottom there. You can kind of see that square seating. So all we're going to do is squish that onto the bottom here. So put the filter that came with the walbro, the one we are going to keep, put it on, and then this piece goes on after. It's just going to squeeze on over top there. And that way, it'll fit in the bottom like it's supposed to. Now for the top half, this whole piece we don't need. There's a clip there and on this other side. You can take a knife or anything, a flathead, and pry in there and pull it loose. That is garbage. Now there's a little black rubber piece. We won't need that, and we won't need this little white plastic that's on there. That comes off just by pushing it off. There we go. Trash. Now, all that's left to do with this is to take the old pump and pull the clips out. All you have to do for that is these top notches up here, and same on this side. You're just going to stick your tiny flathead screwdriver in there, wiggle it around, and pull that one loose. And then you do the same on the other side, wiggle it around until you hit the clip, and they come right out. Now this pump is done, you can put that away. And these are a little different, just barely. They'll slide in just like they're supposed to. They're not going to click into place, but you don't need them to. You just need that space to keep the positive and negative from touching. And that is ready to go on here. These ends are a little different from what they need to be as well. They're a little bit bigger. So all I did is I took a pliers, and I just kind of squished it a little bit to smash it down to size so that these will slide right on. Now, the next part, let's see, this has got a little metal clip. It's one of the ones you just crimp on. You're going to need to get another one of those just from an auto parts store. And you can see when I cut it off from the old pump, it left that little hose on the end that's a little wider. You're going to put that little metal clip on that after you smash this on. And that pretty much connects everything. Let's see what's missing. I don't think anything's missing. I went ahead and put the gasket on it, so all it needs to do is sit on, and it's ready to go. Once again, this is going to need to be widened because it doesn't fit down like it's supposed to. It should fit right up to the metal there. So modify it however you want. That's how I'm doing it. And that is how you get a walbro in your 01 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter. Thanks for watching, guys.